Hey ladies, Christine here in Melbourne, Florida. I'm gonna keep my sunglasses on, otherwise I'm really squinty because there's sunshine here. I'm at a leadership retreat in, like I said, Melbourne, Florida with some amazing people of Lilla Rose. And I wanna thank you all for helping to make it possible and my team. And maybe some of you all could join me here someday. It's really been amazing. I'm gonna flip this around, I believe, and show you a little bit of this amazing complex we're out there. It's a resort. It's like a huge fun cabin. Lots of room to get away, to fellowship with other stylists. We're on the river, or well, it's not a river, it's the inlet on the Atlantic Ocean. We're on the Atlantic side, but we've seen dolphins, and it goes on. Let's see if I can get out here. You can see on through it, but it's just been absolutely beautiful. The weather's gorgeous. Sorry for those of you back home in West Virginia when I know you guys got snow yesterday. I'm gonna flip it back around. Okay, but I did want to thank you. We've had, just to tell you what you've made possible, we've had amazing food, training. They've spoiled us rotten. Hey Natalie, I want you to come someday. But it's really been amazing. They've spoiled us rotten. We've had some amazing training, and just getting to connect with some of my favorite people has just been a lot of fun. So I just wanted to say thank you for making this possible, and I will be seeing you soon. I'll be leaving Sunday, but I won't get back till Monday. So, but there's one of the seaplanes. So lots of fun happening. I will sign off, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.